Do you know that your hairstylist can be the cause why your hair is not retaining length? Yes, I said so. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you why you should really invest in a good natural hairstylist, or at most try to do your hair yourself. If you really want to know what I'm talking about, then keep watching. But before we go right into that, I'm going to let you guys in on what I'm actually doing today. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair while I put my hair in twists. So what I'm doing is sectioning my hair into large sections. I'm going to moisturize this section using the LOC method, which is the liquid, oil, and my hair butter. So the LOC method, I'm going to spritz my hair with some water just to make it damp. You don't have to make your hair excessively wet, just a little to dampen that section because we don't want to moisturize our hair when it's dry. So I'm going to work that water in to make sure that everything is all in. Then I go ahead and apply my oil. This is me using my hair oil. I have a video on how I made this. It's a mixture of some hair growth oils that are good and very nourishing for natural hair. I'm going to put the link on your screen. So I just apply my oil, work it in, making sure that it goes right into every strands of my hair. And then I go ahead to apply my hair butter. So after I'm satisfied with the moisture, I'm going to further divide this section into smaller parts so I can go ahead and start twisting my hair. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on all other sections till I finish twisting my hair. So I said you should invest in a good stylist because your stylist may be the reason why you're not retaining length. This is because most of the time when we experience breakage, we are actually manipulating our hair. When you're leaving your hair alone, your hair can break. But when you're manipulating your hair either by washing or styling, you can experience a little breakage. So but the stylist that you have styling your hair can determine if your breakage is going to be little or is going to be in excess. Before you hand over the care of your hair to a stylist, you want to make sure that that stylist really knows much about natural hair care. So there's a general way to taking care of hair, but there is a specific and a very important and special way of taking care of a natural hair, especially a type 4 hair. So you don't take care of a type 4 hair the same way you take care of every other type of hair. That is why I said that if you can, take care of your hair yourself, but if you can't, then make sure to invest in a good stylist. There are good stylists around, but I know they can be a bit pricey. They are on the high side. If retaining length and growing your hair long and healthy is something that you really want, then you have no choice but to invest in a good stylist that can properly take care of your hair the way natural hair should be taken care of, which means special care, special attention, attention to little details and all that. This is not a hard and fast rule of me saying that you must do your hair yourself, because I know a lot of us are busy. We have one thing or the other we're doing, and we just don't have the time for our natural hair. That is why I said invest in a good stylist. There are a lot of benefits to that also. So I can be busy also. I'm very busy. I'm a mom of two and I'm a business person. I'm a fashion designer to be precise. So I'm always very busy. But because I know what I want to achieve, I always find the time, even if it's at night, to try to style my hair. So the reason I'm saying this is because much of the length you retain comes from styling also, because the person you allow to touch your hair or to style your hair, if that person does not know how to style a natural hair, that person can damage your hair. That person can cause your hair to break. Guys, educate your stylist. Let your stylist know what you want, how tight the hairstyle should be, how they should detangle your hair, Do you want them to finger detangle? Do you want them to use a comb so that they don't go using a rat tail comb to comb your hair instead of using a white tooth comb? So feel free, it's your hair, you're paying for the service, of course. So let them know what you want for your hair. If not, you will be surprised what some people will do to your hair. Because I hear things like my stylist broke my hair, my stylist damaged my hair, and all that. So even you doing your hair yourself, you're still going to lose some hairs, not to talk of someone that doesn't have a clue about how to take care of natural hair. So you want to make sure to let your stylist know what you want for your hair. You can go with your own tools, go with your own hair products, so that you know that everything that they're using, belongs to you and is okay for your hair type. There's a lot benefits of using a good hairstylist if you can't actually make your hair yourself, because it will help you to retain more length. Also let them know that they should be gentle, they should be careful with your hair so as not to break it. So, guys, that's just my advice for you. The person styling your hair is really very important. That is it, guys. I'm done twisting my hair. I'm just oiling my scalp. I know a lot of people don't like to put oils on their scalp, but it has really helped me a lot in combating dandruffs, flaky hair, and all that. So each time I use oils on my scalp, I don't have issues with dandruff. I don't have issues with flaky scalp. Probably it may be due to the peppermint oil that I put on my oil mixture. So this is it. This is my style for the week. I'm done with twisting my hair. Like I said, I couldn't continue with this small section, so I had to make this a medium twist. And of course, I'm tucking the ends of my hair in. What is a good protective style without tucking the ends of your hair in? I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Bye.